Before a robot can weld, stack, pick, or place, it has to move with precision. To do that, industrial robots use 6 major axes. But first, let's start with the base. This is the foundation of the robot. From here, we can move on to the first 3 joints. The first axis is J1, or joint 1. It sits on top of the base and rotates right or left on its axis. The next axis we have is J2, or joint 2, which is also called the shoulder. It serves another purpose on the robot, but we'll discuss that later. Joint 2 is followed by joint 3, which is also called the elbow of the robot. Now let's recap. We have J1, J2, and J3, which form the body of the robot: waist, shoulder, and elbow. These 3 axes are used to move a robot from place to place in its work envelope. The first of the minor axes is joint 4, sometimes called yaw. It performs a side-to-side motion in an arc. Joint 4 is followed by joint 5, which pitches up and down on the robot's wrist. The final joint on the robot is J6. It rotates in a circular motion. To recap, joint 4, joint 5, and joint 6 make up the robot's wrist, sometimes referred to as yaw, pitch, and roll. Unlike the body of the robot, which is made up of joint 1, 2, and 3, the wrist is usually used for interacting with parts with greater detail. As we close out, it's easy to remember the joints of the robot if you start at the base with joint 1 and work your way up the manipulator, with joint 2 and 3 making up the body of the robot. Then joint 4, 5, and 6 make up the wrist with a yaw, pitch, and a roll.